యూనివర్సల్ పీస్ ఫెడరేషన్ డే సందర్భంగా ప్రపంచ శాంతి రోజు ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా ఎలాంటి ప్రాణ నష్టం జరగకుండా జరుపుకునే రోజు ప్రపంచ సంక్షోభం సమయంలో ఆధారపడటం పరస్పర సమృద్ధి మరియు విశ్వ విలువలు అనే అంశంపై గ్లోబల్ సెమినార్ను సైబర్ ట్రావెల్స్లో ఇంటర్నేషనల్ పీస్ అంబాసిడర్ డాక్టర్ విద్యాసాగర్ ఘనంగా నిర్వహించారు. యూపీఎఫ్ ప్రపంచ వ్యాప్తంగా శాశ్వత శాంతిని నెలకొల్పడానికి ఒక మూల స్తంభంగా మారుతోందని ఆయన అభిప్రాయపడ్డారు. కరోనా వైరస్ మహమ్మారి సమయంలో 31.3 మిలియన్ల మందికి పైగా సోకి ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా అనేక మందిని చంపిన కరోనా వైరస్ మహమ్మారి కారణంగా ప్రపంచ ఆర్థిక వ్యవస్థ క్షీణించిందని ఇంటర్నేషనల్ పీస్ ఫెడరేషన్ అంబాసిడర్ డాక్టర్ విద్యాసాగర్ అన్నారు. ఈ సమావేశంలో హానరబుల్ కౌన్సిల్ జనరల్ ఆఫ్ ద రిపబ్లిక్ ఆఫ్ కజకిస్తాన్ హెచ్ఈ నవాబ్ మీర్ నాసిన్ అలీ ఖాన్, డిఐజీ సిఐడి డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఎం శ్రీనివాస్, గ్లోబల్ పీస్ అంబాసిడర్ శ్రీ భాను మహారాజ్, మేనేజింగ్ డైరెక్టర్ ఆఫ్ షాదాన్ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ డాక్టర్ సారిబ్ రసూల్ ఖాన్, వైస్ చైర్పర్సన్ ఉమెన్ సెల్ హ్యూమన్ రైట్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ కౌన్సిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా రజనీ కుమారి, సీనియర్ బీజేపీ లీడర్ ఫార్మర్ ఖైరతాబాద్ ఎమ్మెల్యే చింతల రామచంద్రారెడ్డి, సూపరింటెండెంట్ ఆఫ్ పోలీస్ నారాయణ, ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఐఏఎఫ్ఎఫ్ మినిస్టర్ జాబేర్ పటేల్, ఆఫ్రికా మరియు వ్యాపార నాయకులు సంఖ్యలో పాల్గొన్నారు.
जुड़ के अपना जो है ना मोहब्बत खुलूस और अमन के इजहार मुजाहरा किया. थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर. जो आप लोगों को जो शॉल पेश कर रहे हैं ये कोई मामूली शख्सियत नहीं जहाँ पे खड़ी है. ये डॉक्टर विद्यासागर साहब अगर इनका तारुफ सुनेंगे तो आप डर भी जाएंगे, कुछ भी हो जाएंगे. आपका ये कारनामा है कि पीस एम्बेसडर भी है. 2000 पोस्टमार्टम्स किए हुए आपने. डरिए मत सर, बहुत बड़ी पर्सनैलिटी. 6000 पोस्टमार्टम इमेजिन कीजिए. ऐसे ऐसे पर्सनैलिटीज हमारे बीच है. रवि भाई का कारनामा ये है, ही इज फ्रॉम इंदौर, डॉक्टर रवि. Thank you so much. Thank you all for your patience, support and cooperation. And our CEO. जनाब खालिद साहब, प्लीज ब्रिंग द बुके लाइए और शॉल भी लेकर आइए. शॉल एंड बुके प्लीज. थैंक यू. Thank you sir, thank you so much. Alpha Beach Bhai, please come. Great services towards humanity and peace. अरे भाई आज और एक सरप्राइज है. तो it is a special day of our dearest brother अमजदुल्लाह खालिद साहब, स्पोक्सपर्सन MBT. आज आपका यूम पैदाइश बर्थडे भी है. So let us. Thank you sir, thank you so much. अब इसके बाद एक थोड़ा सा चेंज वाला प्रोग्राम है जिसमें गीत और गजल भी पेश किया जाएगा. कुछ पैट्रियोटिक सॉन्ग भी रहेंगे आप तमाम की दिल भलाई के लिए. मैं समझता हूँ यहाँ पे मौजूद है सर, आपकी जोरदार तालियां होना चाहिए. इनका तो कोई कसूर नहीं है ना, अगर देर से आए हैं तो पहले आप तालियां मारे पहले वालों के लिए. अब इनके लिए आप तालियां नहीं मारना चाहते. दिस इज नॉट फेयर. और सुहीदी साहब, आर यू देयर विद द टीम? You are set now. Thank you sir, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please come here. चल साथ गीत और गजल का प्रोग्राम भी कुछ ही देर में शुरू होने वाला है और भी स्नैक्स पेश किए जाएंगे जिससे आपको मैं समझता हूँ डिनर की जरूरत महसूस होगी. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you Ratna Kumar sir for your presence. Thank you Ratna Kumar sir.
Thank you so much. थैंक यू। अभी मैं और एक शख्सियत है हमारे बीच जो
International Peace Ambassador Shri Devaya.
थैंक यू सर। आई वांट यू टू प्लीज एक्सप्रेस योर फीलिंग्स।
Dignitaries, ambassadors, and everybody. It's an honor for me to be here among all of you to receive this award and the International Peace Ambassador. I'm really delighted and happy to be the part of so many dignitaries. Talking about NADAM, National Association for Advancement of Dalits, Adivasis and Minorities, is an organization started a long time ago. Our goal is 5 keys: education, employment, entrepreneurship, economic equality and empowerment. Besides this, our organization considerably spends time on improving the health. So in short, we say health, education and jobs. So those things we are concentrating, and me and my wife, Dr. Rudrama Devi, we put our own money for the service of the humanity. And we are happy to be doing this. And I lived 45 years, as Dr. Nazeeb told, and I'm still Indian citizen. I'm proud to be Indian citizen. Okay. Now, my mission.
Government of Telangana, the authorities present here, for their immense efforts, especially the COVID warriors, the doctors, and the health workers, the police, and the security organizations who have tirelessly worked for the peace that need to be built among the country. Moreover, just few words about myself. Today we have a lot of dignitaries here, but the ones which I know very well, Mr. Najeeb ji, whom I have been inspired a lot in his works, and as honorary counsel, Mr. Ali Khan had referred about Kazakhstan. I just like to give you a short brief story about myself. I come from a very middle class family. My parents had 3 daughters, and it was only education. What happens to the family who wants to become a doctor, and there were not enough medical seats in this country? At that time, I did bachelor's, master's and PhD abroad. Then they should call NEO, and I'm running my own foundation, Shri Foundation, through which we continuously work in creating doctors from middle class families across many countries. Like Honorary Council told that there are many students from India to Kazakhstan. We are one of the most active partners working there, and we are able to create more than 3,000 doctors and postgraduate doctors who are right now working as the COVID warriors for this country, and we are in a journey of preparing more than 3,000 more doctors.
ये होता है, मन होता है, तो हम यही चाहते हैं कि हम दुनिया में कुछ आते समय कुछ लेके नहीं आए हैं और जाते समय हम कुछ लेके नहीं जाएंगे। इसीलिए प्यार ही ईश्वर का दूसरा रूप है, ये समझना चाहिए, सबके ऊपर प्यार करना चाहिए, सबको पीस करना चाहिए, और अपना देश जो है, अपना देश यही अपना भगवान है। हर एक ने इंसान ने समझना चाहिए, देश अपना एड्रेस होता है, देश अपना। हम जब दुनिया में घूमते हैं, दुनिया में जाते हैं, तो हम पूछते हैं आप कौन से देश से हैं, तो हम बोलते हैं, बड़े गर्व से बोलते हैं, हम इंडिया से, हम भारत से। तो हमारी भारत माता है। ये देखिए, हम इंसान ऊपर से कुछ नहीं होता है, हमारी ये धरती माता जो है, धरती माता अपने सब कुछ दे देती है, खाने के लिए, पीने के लिए, पहनने के लिए, सोना चांदी जो भी है धरती माता देती है। तो इसलिए नेचर का भी संभाल करना चाहिए। नेचर को भी कहना चाहते हैं कि आज बहुत ही सुंदर दिन है।
I feel that creating the environment of peace is a must in this tense, in this situation. Always, whenever we get the chance. क्या हम सांस लिए बिना जी सकते हैं? हम सांस लिए बिना नहीं जी सकते। उसी तरह हम पीस के बिना भी नहीं जी सकते दुनिया में। Hope you all agree with me. Peace is a must to this. There is no development. I always say that
Online mock tests are also being conducted on a regular basis for the students for them to better assimilate their understanding of the complex medical subjects. The new competency-based curriculum that has been proposed by the Medical Council of India has also been implemented in our colleges during the pandemic under the guidance of Dr. Sarif Rasool Khan, which will definitely serve a large cause in the domain of quality medical education in his medical colleges. The Shardan group of institutions was also amongst the first to have represented to the Government of India to utilize the services of medical colleges and has donated all its medical facilities of more than 2,000 beds for the isolation and treatment of COVID-19 cases in state of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh.
Healthy world is the peace for 2020. I pray and urge for everyone to create a healthier world. Thank you.
It's an International Peace Day. This is September 21st, and it's a great opportunity for me to participate in this program, which is conducted jointly by the United Peace Federation and World Humanity Commission. So today, the world great leaders, the peace ambassadors are gathering together in Hyderabad, and especially Babuji Maharajji from Goa has also come to Hyderabad, and he has addressed a very good speech. He told about the heaven and hell. This is really a good thing because the people who are living here, they are thinking in a peaceful manner. Really, they are enjoying the heaven. And people who are really in anger, they are really facing living in this hell. So today, our country, the world is facing many problems with the civil wars and as well as the country wars. So the main United Nations organization, the President and the world peace ambassadors are trying their best to make the humanity to be sustained on this world and to maintain the peace on this earth. And recently we are also facing the pandemic situation of COVID-19 coronavirus. Now there is a race between humanity and as well as the virus. Now the United Nations Organization, World Health Organization and now the peace ambassadors all are also thinking about this virus, how to make it, fight it and how to overcome it, to make our humanity to be sustained on this globe. Thank you very much.